Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, you can visit to catway.in for more info on the cat. So what we have over here is that the following table gives the sales turnover in crore rupees of 5 major detergent brands A, B, C, D, E, and others in 4 regions: East, West, North, and South of India. The data is for the years 2008 and 9. The pie chart gives the breakup of the sales of the same brands in terms of number of units sold. The total number of units sold for 2009, 8 and 9 was the same. So in both the years, the same amount of the same units have been, the number of units have been the same. And the table given below, you have been given the data for the East, West, North, and South for 2 different years. And also you have been given the combined data. Okay, so the combined data is also there. Okay, so let's move on to the first question. The first question is that what is the total sales turnover in crore rupees of the detergent market in India in 2009? Okay, so it's a very simple question. The total sales turnover is asked of detergent market in 2009. So that means you only need the sum of the total sales of 2009. Okay, so if you do the sales, you will find that option number, do the sum, you will find that option number D, 3408 crores is the right answer. Coming to the second one, which brand registered the maximum growth percentage in the price per unit in 2008? Okay, so price per unit in 2008. Take care. So between going from 2008 to 9, which brand has the maximum percentage increase in terms of price per unit has been asked to you. Take care. So what you need for what? How will you determine the price in 2008 and 2009? See, what we have been given is that the number of units are same. So let's say 100 units were there in total in both the years. Okay. Now A is selling 15 units in 2008. Okay. A is selling 15 items in 2008 and it is going to get 725 crores. Okay. So from 15 units, A is able to gather 725. So what will be the price per unit? It will be 725 by 15. Okay, this is for 2000. And similarly, A in 2009 is selling 13 units. Okay, only 13 units it is selling, and it is gaining 734 crores. So in 2009, the price of one unit was 734 divided by 13. Okay, so from here you will get the price of each item of A in 2009. Take it, whatever crores it is being sold to. Take it. Now you have to find the percentage increase. Okay, you have to find the percentage increase. How do you find the percentage increase? You take the new value, that is the updated value, increased value, and you divide it with the original value. Okay, from there you do not get the exact percentage, but you definitely get the multiplying factor through which you can directly tell that which has the maximum increase. Okay, so the thing that you have to do is you have to divide the price of 2009 by price of 2008. Now, what is the price of 2009? It is 734 by 13, and this is to be divided by the price of 2008, which is 725 by 50. So basically, for all the brands, what you have to do is that take the sales value of 2009. Okay, let me write it first. Okay, into 15 divided by 725. So for all the brands, the only thing that you are required to do is take the sales of the 2009 and divide it by the percentage value in terms of volume wise and multiply it with the percentage value of 2008 in terms of volume wise breakup divided by the sales of 2000. So for every brand, this is the same thing that you have to do. So if you calculate this, you will get the value for A as 1.16. So basically, this is the multiplying factor and it represents that 16.8% is the increment. And on the same way, you can calculate it for other brands as well. So for B, it will be 1.264, that is 26% increment. For C, if you see, it will be 0.925. So basically, there is a decrease of 7.5%. For D, it will be 0.982. Again, there is a decrease. And for E, it is 1.211. That is a 21% increase. So the maximum increase we can see is for B. So the correct answer will be option number B. Okay. Now let us remove this. Coming to the third question, what do we have? That which of the following statements are true? Okay, so it is asking which of the following statements are true. All right. So what do we have as the first statement? That exactly 2 brands could not register a growth in all regions in 2009. Okay, so let's see. So if you talk about A registered a growth in East, A registered a growth in West, A registered a growth in North, but A could not register a growth in South. Okay, so there is one brand which could not register a growth in all the regions, and that is A. Now, if you talk about B in East went to 75 to 90, there is an increase. 62 to 75 in West, increase. 53 to 72, there is an increase. 17 to 77, there is an increase. So for B in 2009, there is an increase in the sales value in all the regions. But if you check for C, okay, if you check for C did not register a growth in East and C did not register a growth in South. So we have one more brand. Okay. Whereas for D and E, they showed a growth in all the regions. So that means we have in total 2 brands, and that was the statement that exactly 2 brands could not register a growth. So yes, statement 1 is right. Okay, statement 1 is right. Coming to statement number 2. Statement number 2 tells us that the number of units sold by B in 2009 has shown an increase of above 350% in South. Okay. Now, what are the sales of B? So total units are 100. Sales of B is 12. Okay. So 12 units B has sold in. B has sold 12 units in 2009. Okay. Now, guys, what we are going to do is see. From these 12 units, the total value that we generated was 314. Okay. From selling 12 units, we could generate 314 crores. Okay. That means the price of 1 unit, okay, the price of 1 unit will be 314 divided by 12. Okay. So price of 1 unit is 26.16 crores. Okay. Now the sales in South is 77 crore. Once 1 unit costs you rupees 26.166 crore. So to get 77 crores, how many units will be required? This is the number of units that will be required. Okay. So what will be the value? So the number of units are 2.94. Okay. So in B, we have sold 2.94 units in 2009. Okay. Talk about 2008. So in 2008, B has sold a total of 10 units for rupees 207 crores. Okay. That means 1 unit ka cost is 20.7 crores. Okay. And it gained 17 crores. Okay. So to gain 17 crores and how many units needs to be sold? To gain 17 crores, see, 1 unit costs you rupees 20.7. So for getting 17 crores, you only need 0.82 units. Okay, the only thing that you need is 0.82 units. Okay. All right. So now let us calculate the increment. So in 2008, 0.82 was sold. In 2009, 2.94 was sold. So 2.94 divided by 0.82 will give you the percentage. Okay. So it is going to give you the percentage increment. Okay. Take the multiplying factor comes out to be 3.58, which basically means 258% ka increment. So the increment is not of 350%. It is less than that. Okay, it is less than that. So over here, what we can say that the second statement is false. Talk about the third one. So the number of units sold by C in 2009 was less than that sold by C in 2008. So C in 2008 sold 22 units. In 2009 it sold 23. So number of units in 2009 is more. Hence third statement is also false. So only the first statement is correct. So option number A is the right answer. So this was a pretty easy set, guys, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.